Hey everybody, I'm going to do another AM5 Lishi video here, the new American lock Lishi. This is the, it's for these cylinders that are 6-pin. They can, at least they're drilled 6 anyway. Did come up about if it'll work on a 5-pin. This lock actually only has a 5-pin cylinder in it. It's not drilled 6, it's only 5, and it won't go all the way in. So you get nothing on 1. Might still work to pick it starting at 6, but it probably would. I mean, the 6-pin quick set will pick a 5-pin quick set. Just feel like you're just torquing on the tool in a spot that's not meant to be torqued on, so it may not be the best thing to do. But this lock here, I don't know that I would have got this open had I not had a key, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of this thing. But you see the bitting is 87842, and with the tool in there, these 8s are 0 lift. I mean, they're at the shear line just from the tool. So to pick this thing, it's actually pretty easy. Actually, you're not going to do anything to 1 or 3 because they're 8 cuts. You just pick number 2, a little bit of a false set, 4, some counter rotation, click, still in a false set, number 5, counter rotation, and we're open. So basically only had to pick 3 of the pins here because the 8 cuts I didn't even touch them, but they're just at the shear line. And so but I think actually that would be real challenging if there's 8 cuts in a lock when you're picking in the field and don't know. You just wind up oversetting it constantly. At least that's probably what I would end up doing with it. So, and I've tried a bunch of other locks that I have laying around, and these are all locks that I have picked on video, just with regular old school lock picks. So I know I can pick them, and I've had almost no success with this thing. Playing with it, for a few hours. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep messing with it, see if I get any better at it. But so far, I'm not wildly impressed with it. I think it's more of a novelty thing. I think there's more useful keyways they could have made. If they're gonna do padlocks, the M1 is one of them that comes to mind. But also the Sergeant LA and the Y1 on the 1/2-inch cylinders would be amazing to have. Much more useful than this guy. So. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Questions or comments, leave them in the comments, and we'll talk to everybody later.